Right, it's time for Beat Beat Busters. It's time for Beat Beat Busters, and here's your host. It's
Roy, you idiot.
It's Roy Walker! Oh, what was that all about, that little thing there?
Nothing.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
No.
No, we're all above board and legal.
Morning, Roy Walker, how are you today?
I'm a bit tired again today.
Really, why is that?
I started my new job today as a paper boy.
Hey, fantastic!
Well done, Roy.
How's it going, Roy?
It's okay. It's got its ups and downs.
Really? You don't sound as though, you're massively keen on it.
No, I like it because the pay's good.
Okay, all right, fine. Couple of pound an hour or something like
Every little helps.
that. Okay, good. Let's get on with it, shall we?
With us playing the game is our defending champion on line 1.
Line 1, what's your name and where do you come from?
Hi Chris, it's Donna and I'm still from Newcastle.
Hey! When the ball comes in. Why, I bet I know. I definitely know what you did and Freddie did.
Oh, you sound a little bit more like a Macam there than a Geordie.
I'm not a Macam. I'm not a Macam. That's one of my favourite games in the pub is when you meet someone who's a Macam and go, oh, you're a Geordie. And just watching them go redder and redder. I'm a Macam, not a Geordie.
Do you know what's really hard? When you meet somebody from Washington, because that's like in between no man's land. Half of them are Geordies and half of them are Macams.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really hard there.
Well, anyway, listen, what is your mascot today?
It's still the beads with a D, not a N.
Still hanging beans around.
Weird one, that beans.
All right, let's hear your horn.
Pardon?
Your horn, please. Beautiful.
And they're up against today's contender on line 2.
Line 2, what's your name? Where do you come from?
Chris, my name's Ross and I'm from Essex.
Oh, lovely Essex boys. How old are you, Ross?
I'm 23, mate.
Oh, 23. Yeah. What do you do for a living?
I'm a driver's mate.
Oh! 2 left here, 2 right there. Peanut, lovely.
I don't even do that, mate. Joy's a tom-tom.
Really?
Yeah.
Joys of Tom Tom. What a brilliant name for an album, The Joys of Tom Tom. They were playing tonight with Zane Lowe, I believe. They're going to be with Colin and Edith when they announce where the One Big Weekend's going to be in Scarborough. Wherever it's going to be later. What school did you go to, Ross?
I went to Assenbrook.
Oh, I love that school. Lovely. Who's your favourite teacher there?
Mr. Jones.
Oh, me, yeah, Mr. Jones. And what's your mascot?
Stuart, me driver.
Stuart?
Yeah.
All right. Have you ever been on MySpace.com?
No, not yet, mate.
Okay. You're really missing a treat of geeks. Right, let's hear your horn. Beautiful, that's nice.
Chris,
yes?
tell them the rules to our new game.
Well, in front of you is the alphabet board. It contains questions from A to Z. It's up to you to beep in using your horn when you think you know the answer. The person who gets question right takes control of the board, chooses the next letter. Each question correctly answers scores you a point. It's the first one to 3 that goes through to the golden round. Are you both ready to play the game?
Yes, I am.
All right, let's play Beat Beat Busters.
The board is sitting there waiting. So let's play Beep Beep Busters!
All right, Donna Pat, you are our reigning champion, so you get to choose your first letter.
Can I have a D, please, Chris?
A what?
A D?
A D. Aye.
No, a D.
That's what I said, a D. I'm not Batman. Leave me alone. Right. Good luck, Ross.
Cheers, mate.
What D is animal excrement? And another word. Oh, who was that?
Oh, it was Donna.
Yes, Donna.
Oh, doggy poo.
Doggy poo.
Nope, that's the wrong answer, but I can offer it up to line 2.
Right, well, son, here we go. This is where you can steal some points here, darling. All right, love?
All right, mate.
What D is an animal excrement and another word for manure? And I'll give you an extra clue. It's also the sound of a bell.
Dung.
Correct.
Yes, it is. Well done.
Dang. Dang.
It's a Northern Irish bell.
Dang. Dang. What's brown and sounds like a bell? Dong. Right, Ross, one to you. Donna. Oh, you could lose this today, Donna. Ross sounds Ross sounds like he could be intelligent, but don't worry, he's from Essex. Hey! Ross, choose a letter for me.
I'll have an M, please, Chris.
An M
Yes, please.
for mother.
Yes.
All right, here we go. What M is a type of spread that you either love or hate?
Rod.
Who was that? Alad?
I'm going to go
Call
with
it.
Donna.
Donna?
Get in, Marmite.
Well done. Yes.
Right, one apiece. Come on then, Donna, choose a letter.
Can I have a P, please, Chris?
All right then. What P is the type of meat that you'd normally serve?
Donna?
Yes, Donna?
Pork.
Well done.
Yes! Come on, Ross.
Hello.
How are you, Ross? How are you, Ross? Right, if you get the next one right, Donna, you are still the champ. Choose the letter.
F, please.
S.
F.
F.
Yeah.
Right. What F is a word that comes between sweet and Adams in the popular English expression? Come on.
Donna.
Yes, Donna?
Fanny.
That's me, Ross, can I just say, Ross, you're so childish that you laughed at the word Fanny. Never mind, pal. Have a good day.
All right, mate. You too. Thank you.
Hey, listen, don't forget your prize.
Oh, what's that?
You've got a Beat Busters biro.
Oh,
It's a red one today, too.
It's a red one. Hey, how does that make you feel? Goodbye. Right then, Donna Pet, congratulations. You are through the golden round where you could win something and the chance to come back and play tomorrow.
Right.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Right, let's go.
So now it's time for the big one on Beat Busters. So let's have some applause as we put you on the G-spot.
Davy, man, get clapping, Davy, man, come on. Oh, you're forgetting to give it a clap there now, man. She'll be all wondering like all day where was Davy when the crowd didn't clap me? He didn't
Can
clap
I just
me.
say something? Can I just say something to Dave?
What?
I've got some bad news.
What?
Erinsborough has got 2 R's in it, whereas Neighbours only has 1.
Oh,
so
shut
it's
your
not
face.
an anagram.
Leave the Nazi alone.
I'm not a Nazi.
Did you know that Dave is now Nazi Dave instead of Comedy Dave?
That's what I hear.
It's disgusting.
It is like.
It is like, I know. I know.
Not on at all.
I know, I just said it. Right. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I love you, Donna.
Well, I don't love you because you're a stranger.
Is that what I
That's what you
said?
said to me yesterday.
Do you know, you're
I was
right.
being really nice,
I
and I was
know.
just. It's a generic term of endearment, and you had to say that. I don't love you because you're a stranger.
Shut up, love.
That
You're,
wasn't
you're
very nice.
19 years old with 3 kids, you slapper. Don't start waving the finger at me. I'm joking. Right, you ready?
I'm ready.
Right. Stop making me laugh.
Go to gold.
Yeah.
So let's start the golden round.
BS. Which BS is the American pop star pictured in all the papers today, driving with her baby son sat on her knee?
Britney Spears.
Britney Spears.
Yes, it is. Well done.
DVO. What DVO is a former Big Breakfast host who looks set to replace Kelly Brook on the next series of Celebrity Love Island?
No idea.
I don't know either.
Denise.
But you know
Van Houten.
Oh,
Well done. Yes.
let's see what you reckon. Dave wrote the answer was DVO. LS. Which LS is the diminutive curly-haired 70s star who sings on the Met track, which will chart on Sunday?
Leo Sayer.
It's right. Well done.
T.O.B. What T.O.B. are the Brighton band led by Preston, whose album is advertised on the
Ordinary
television?
Boy.
Yes, it is. Well done.
And for the game, RFTKC. What RFTKC is the lead singer of a Leeds-based Brit-nominated band who's in with Joe Wiley today? Say Ricky from the Kaiser Chiefs.
Ricky from the Kaiser Chiefs.
Congratulations! I'm so excited I could pee. In fact, I've got to be honest, I think there's a little bit of pee trickling down my leg as we speak. Oh, no, it's Alan! Get off, man, Alan! Right, well done you. We'll talk to you tomorrow.
Excellent. See ya.
Bye!
Love ya. Bye.
Love you, you're a stranger. Right, take it away, Roy.
So, till next time, from all of us to all of you, goodbye.
Oh, she's fun, I like her.
She's good.